Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'll show you how to make this neck scarf. To make my neck scarf I'll be using this brown silky fabric which is 90 centimeters long and 14 centimeters wide. First I'm folding this fabric in half and I'll be pinning these two edges together. After I pinned all edges together, I'm folding this button in half and I will pin the center of this button there. Next I'll cut these corners on a diagonal, both of them there. This is how it looks. Next I'll sew these button edges together there. I will leave middle open and there. I will sew 1 centimeter seam allowance. I will leave this center opening not sewed. And this is how it looks. Next I'm cutting excess thread off. Next I will cut excess seam allowance on both sides. Next, I'll turn my scarf to the right side using this opening. I'm using a needle to sharpen corners on this scarf. And it looks like that. And repeating same on other side. Next, I will sew up middle opening there with invisible stitch. And this is how it looks. Next, I'm ironing this neck scarf flat. And here's my finished neck scarf. As you can see, I can wear this neck scarf 2 different ways, as showed on photos on each side. Also, I can wear this neck scarf as a hair accessory. If you have any questions how I made this neck scarf, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.